Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today, guys, we're going to be working on a Gerber Easy Out. It is a Gerber 450. It's got a serrated edge, it's got a broken tip, and it's got a pocket clip. And that's the only thing that's wrong with it right here, is a broken tip. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to come from the top down. It's almost going to look about like a Spyderco when I'm done, because I'm getting rid of that little curve right here. I'm going to be coming from there straight down right there, from that edge to that point. So easy, should be an easy fix. It's gonna be a good looking knife too when I'm done. It looks like somebody was already gonna do a repair. I don't know who put that green marker on it. I forgot where I picked this Gerber up at. But we're gonna try some Never Dull to get the marker off of here. Yeah, it gets rid of it. Ain't that cool? I'm gonna give it a good cleaning before I do the tip. Get rid of it. Supposed to get cold here. Right now it's about 50 degrees, but by 9 a.m. it's supposed to be 39, and then but tonight, in the morning hour, it's supposed to be down to 18 degrees here. I got a bunch I gotta do. I gotta put a heat lamp on my bees. I gotta put a heat lamp on my chickens. Gotta put a heat lamp, a couple, or hook the ones I have up underneath the house. The heat lamps for my pipes. They're wrapped, but it's supposed to be below freezing for about 14 hours here, and that's when stuff freezes. I got a heat lamp on my well house too. Cleaned up good. I'm gonna have to try to get the wire brush to get that off. I noticed that this is a little loose. I'm gonna tell you something else I pick up at estate sales, and this Craftsman. You can buy them for $1 or less at estate sales or garage sales, but they're very cheap, but made in the USA. Great wrenches. I'm gonna oil the handle down now. Pocket lamp. All right. I think we're ready for the tip repair now. Okay, y'all remember this guy? Roaring Fire. Smoldering pouch. Getting sharpen the Gerber. Awesome little bag. Mm-hmm. Roaring Fire is sending me another bag too. It's a roll-up tool bag. Might be here today. I'll have to check the post office. Roaring Fire, y'all check them out. All right, here it is, guys. Easy Out Gerber, USA Made Gerber 450. Looks like a Spyderco now, don't it? I think that tip really come out really well. And it's sharp too, especially that serrated now. Whoa, man. It's a good looking knife, I think. It needs a lanyard hole. And I believe I can put one in there. I believe I could, right down here. Let's do that. Ta-da! Mama's Outback Leather Wax from Shackle Homestead Leatherworks. They're out of Ohio. I met them at the Georgia Bushcraft event. Y'all check them out. Good folks. All right, here it is, guys. Got my lanyard on there now. She's complete. Blade looks good. Nice looking edge on it. It's sharp too now. The serrated is really sharp now. It was sharp to begin with, but I touched that up. It's a nice knife, it really is. Great shape. Good looking knife. I love it. I'm gonna be carrying this for a little while now. I'm gonna put my blur up, my Kershaw blur, which I carry all the time. I'm going to use this as my pocket clip knife for about a week or two, then put it in my collection. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. It was just an easy fix of a Gerber Easy Out 450. I actually put a lanyard hole back here. It's a great looking knife. It's going to be going in my pocket right now, right after the video. But it's a great looking knife. Easy fix. I love doing stuff like this, guys. Love it. Well, anyway, guys, I just want to thank y'all for tuning in today, and I just want to say God bless y'all, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And y'all watch the weather, guys. It's supposed to be really, really cold everywhere, I believe. So y'all bundle up and stay warm. Stay indoors if you can. I've got a bunch of work to do this morning before it gets really cold tonight. I've got to run electrical cords and get my heat lamps out and get everything ready for tonight. It's supposed to be below freezing about 8 a.m. and then it ain't gonna be above freezing, I think I saw, till 11 a.m. tomorrow. So that's when stuff freezes really hard, you know, hard freeze. And it's supposed to get down to 18 degrees here. I've seen it down to 15 degrees, and that was probably back in 2013, I think it was. Cold for a long time, too, for 2 or 3 days. Anyway, guys, thank y'all again for tuning in. I just want to say God bless y'all, and until we meet again, y'all be like a good night. Stay safe.